If you want to change the tone of your writing in Grammarly, this video will show you exactly how to do it step by step, quickly and easily. Whether you want your text to sound more professional, more friendly, more warm, or more direct, Grammarly's custom prompt feature makes it simple to rewrite selected text in the tone you want. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more helpful software guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, highlight the text you want to change. This can be a sentence, a paragraph, or even a larger section of writing, depending on what you want Grammarly to rewrite. Just click and drag your mouse over the text so it becomes selected. Once the text is highlighted, look to the left side of that selection. You should see a small vertical blue bar appear in the margin right next to your text. Go ahead and click that blue bar. This opens Grammarly's Inline AI options card, which gives you several writing tools right inside your document. Now that the card is open, look toward the bottom of it. You'll see an empty prompt box that says something like "Enter your prompt" or "Tell us to." Click directly inside that field so you can type your request. This is where you tell Grammarly exactly how you want the tone to change. The more specific you are, the better the result usually is. For example, you can type "Change tone to warm and encouraging." You could also say "Make this sound highly professional and direct." Or if you want something more relaxed, you can type "Rewrite this in a casual, friendly tone." You can even customize it further if you need a specific style for work emails, school writing, marketing copy, or social media posts. After typing your tone instruction, press Enter on your keyboard or click the arrow send icon next to the prompt field. Grammarly will then generate a new version of your selected text based on your instructions. Take a moment to review the draft carefully inside the card. Make sure the tone matches what you were looking for and that the meaning still sounds right. If everything looks good, click the green Insert or Accept button to apply the change instantly. Your original text will be updated with the new tone, and you're done. This is a fast way to improve your writing without rewriting everything from scratch. It's especially useful when you need to sound more polished, more confident, more approachable, or simply more aligned with your audience. You can repeat the same process on any other part of your document, giving you full control over the tone of your writing in just a few clicks. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Grammarly tips, AI writing tutorials, and easy software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.